Dear students, I am going to continue Guru grammar classes. In the last class I have taken the rules of use of present simple and translate it into Malayalam. Now I am going to start the continuation of grammar after present simple. I am going to explain about past simple, use of tenses, past simple. I have already told you that there are certain key words to find out tense. In past simple, the key words are yesterday, in 1947, last evening, etc. That means the completed action. So, here today, first rule is to express action or event completed. The event is completed, fully completed. For example, I have given you an example. G20 appointed our Prime Minister as the President of the Assembly. More than that, the First World War broke out in 1914 and came into end in 1918. The Second World War broke out in 1939 and came to an end in the year 1945. So, hence the action completed. So, one of the rule is to express actions or event completed. I have given the example. G20 appointed our Prime Minister as the President of the Assembly. The second thing is to refer present time. Otherwise, to show politeness. For example, I wondered if I could borrow your bike. Here, the notable thing is that here there are two parts. There are two classes, main class and subordinate class, otherwise called as if class. In the main class, the verb may be to, that is past simple. Here, in the second part also, we have to use V2 verb, that is past simple. So, I wondered if I could borrow your bike. That is the second rule. Then, third thing is, in conditional class 2, conditional class, there are three classes. Here, in the two, if I were a bird, I would fly high. The thing is that, if I were a bird, here, past simple. If it comes past simple, in the other part the verb should be past also. So, I would fly high. One thing is, a notable thing is that in the if class, I may be used after I, if in the if class, after I, we have to use not was but where. So, if I were a bird, I would fly high. Then another thing is that in reported speech, you know that direct, indirect speech. In the reported speech, the verb in the reporting speech is V2. You know that verb there. For example, he said. Said is the reported verb. If the reported verb in the reported speech, the verb in the reporting speech is V2. And reporting speech, if the verb is V2, the verb inside the quotation came into V2. Here the thing is that if the reporting verb, for example, he said, I am unwell. Said is reporting verb. That is past simple. I am unwell. That is present simple. That present simple changed to past simple. Thus, I have given 4 rules. Keywords are yesterday in 1947, last evening, last month, last evening, last event, etc. Here, today, to express action or event completed. Example, G20 appointed our Prime Minister as the President of the Assembly. Next thing is to refer present time or to show politeness. Example, I wondered if I could borrow your bike. The notable thing is the verb. Two verb you have to note. If there is past simple, here also past simple. In conditional clause too, that is also, if I were a bird, here also they are past simple. And then I would fly high. Here also we have to use past simple. In a reporter speech, the verb in the reporting verb is V2. The verb inside the quotation also V2. Thus, we can use past simple. Past simple is the completed action. Yes, I have given these examples and I have given the rules. Now, this type came to an end. Then we have to take future symbol.